it dazzled explorers for centuries. Welcome to the Ashanti Kingdom, West Africa's hidden gem of wealth and wisdom. In the dense rainforests of what is now Ghana, the Ashanti Kingdom rose in the 17th century, quickly becoming a powerhouse through its strategic trade and military might. At the heart of Ashanti culture lies the kente cloth, each color and pattern, a story of history and values. Renowned for their gold smithing, the Ashanti people created some of Africa's most beautiful artifacts. The Ashanti bravely resisted European colonization, engaging in several wars to defend their sovereignty. Their resilience in the face of adversity is a significant chapter in African history. Today, the Ashanti legacy continues to influence Ghanaian culture, from vibrant festivals to political systems. The kingdom's spirit remains a beacon of African identity and pride. The Ashanti Kingdom, a golden chapter in Africa's history, showcasing the continent's rich heritage and enduring spirit.